Students, our next topic is experimental demonstration of magnetic force between two parallel currents or between two parallel current carrying conductors. First experiment. Take two metallic wires AB and CD, suspend them vertically parallel to each other. The lower ends of the wires are kept inside mercury in a trough. The current in the wire can be passed with the help of a battery E and key K. In figure A, when key K is closed, the vertical wires AB and CD, they bend toward each other. They bend toward each other and take the position AB dash and CD dash. The two wires bend toward each other and take the position AB dash and CD dash. This shows that like currents attract each other, or two parallel current carrying conductors carrying current in same direction, they attract each other. In the figure B, when the key K is closed, the vertical wires, they move away from each other and take the position AB dash and CD dash. This means unlike currents repel each other, or two parallel conductors carrying current in opposite direction, they repel each other. Now the experiment 2, Rosette spiral. This apparatus is used to demonstrate force of attraction between two parallel wires carrying current in same direction. This Rosette spiral consists of a soft metallic spring S, whose natural period of oscillation is about 0.5 second to 1 second. It is suspended vertically from a rigid support. The lower end of the spring has a pointed tip. D is a metallic brass disc having some mercury in it. A battery E and key K, they are connected between A and B. Now, when we adjust the tip B of the spring, such that it just touches the mercury surface in the disc. On closing the key K, the spring starts dancing up and down. एक बार स्प्रिंग बाहर जाएगा, अंदर जाएगा, फिर बाहर जाएगा, फिर अंदर जाएगा. This can be understood as follows. When the spring is just touching the mercury surface in the dish and key K is closed, the circuit is completed. Therefore, a current begins to flow through the spring. Now the current through the spring, this will be equivalent to parallel current through the turns of the spring. Now these turns of the spring, as they are carrying current in same direction, therefore they will attract each other. Therefore spring contracts. Spring सिकुड़ जाता है force of attraction के कारण. Therefore tip of the spring moves out of the mercury surface and hence the circuit is broken. Therefore there is no current through the spring. Then the spring relaxes, that is, spring wants to take its original configuration. Then as the spring relaxes, again the tip of this spring touches the mercury surface and the circuit is completed, and the cycle continues, tick tick tick. That is, once the spring touches the mercury surface, then it goes out, again touches the mercury surface and go out, and the spring continues dancing.